Facebook feedback score has updated again, and what's the latest update about it? How is it still impactful? Should you still consider that information or not? What should you do? So what we saw lately is that they are testing a new feature on ratings and reviews. So if you go on your business manager, ratings and review, you will be able to see the new interface of the score. We'll add you a screenshot somewhere in the screen here so you could see how it looks. And the score has a clear impact on your performance. So you still want to protect your score, boost your score, and you can test it by yourself. You can consider boosting it for like 1 month, 2 months, and then seeing how it impacts your results, and accordingly do your math and see is it better for you to invest on it or not. So we'll show you some resource about the updates and you can see from yourself. So at unlimited scaling, we saw a lot of impact from it. We see some clients having like hundreds of reviews. For some others, there is no reviews available. For some others, they have only like 30, 40, 50 reviews. And it really doesn't matter of the size of the business. We have big businesses having no amount of reviews, and we have small businesses having few reviews. So our theory is that it's not spread out yet on all the stores. It's propagating slowly, but the impact is there. Even for like pages that doesn't have score, they still have an impact on their performance. So I think it's important to, especially when you start like scaling, you start going to like 100, 200 orders a day on a short period of time, and you notice that your performance is not stable. I think it's the right moment for you to consider boosting your score so you can get the best out of your ads. So yeah, that's what I would suggest you. If you scale, if you have a doubt, if you see performance is a bit unstable, and if you know that your operations might be like improvable, like there is something to be done on there. If you have also like your Trustpilot, you start collecting like negative feedbacks, it's really the time for you to consider boosting it all to make sure to protect your reputation online and being able to scale without issues. So if you have questions regarding the new score, performance, ROAS, you want to discuss this further, feel free to text us in WhatsApp and we will be able to discuss in details your situation and see what's the best for your case. Okay? I see you on the next videos, and let's go scale unlimited.